Congress President Sonia Gandhi has offered to step down at an extraordinary meeting of the Congress Working Committee. This move comes amidst reports that some party veterans have written to the Congress President seeking changes in leadership. Reports also suggest that some senior Congress leaders have requested former party President Rahul Gandhi to return as the party chief. Pallavi Ghosh joins us now with the details of the CWC meeting. Pallavi, many twists and turns at that meet.
Well, the Congress Working Committee meeting, of course, has not been without a fair share of fireworks. But the interesting part is that instead of discussing the contents of that letter, the letter was trashed. So we had, say, Dr. Manmohan Singh, in fact, even Rahul Gandhi calling the letter cruel, questioning the timing of the letter, saying that, when Mrs. Gandhi was in hospital, why did this letter have to be written? Now, here is the problem. If Sonia Gandhi sticks to her stand that she's not going to carry on as an interim president, what can be the alternative? Because Rahul Gandhi is unlikely to accept that post. Will a committee be set on, or will Mrs. Gandhi be prevailed upon to continue till such time that elections can be held? But one thing is very clear, that the main concerns which are being faced by the Congress party, those concerns are not being addressed yet, which means an organizational weakness, need for more transparency, hitting the ground, and state units also being strengthened. So in that sense, the CWC, of course, has not been able to achieve what ideally any political party's top-notch decision-making body should have.
All right, Pallavi, we're going to keep a track of this story. It's developing. More coming up right here on CNBC TV 18. It's time now for us to head into a break. But up next, the COVID pandemic casts a dark cloud over the Ganpati celebrations in Mumbai. A special report when we get back. Every year, the city of Mumbai welcomes Lord Ganesha for 15 days. The festivities include long processions, pujas, social gatherings, and ultimately the immersion or the Visarjan. But this year will be different because of the shadow of COVID-19. Kritika has more.
Mumbai's favourite deity has arrived, and while the welcome has been joyous and heartfelt, it isn't the loud and glamorous affair that it usually is. The lack of enthusiasm is felt by not just homes, but even housing societies and large pandals. But no one is more aware of the sober mood than the thousands of families that depend on this very festival in the city for their daily livelihood, the idol sculptors. Workshop of Vasant Raje. He and his family make idols all year long, but not surprisingly, the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the biggest revenue churner. This year, however, revenues have almost halved. Margins are down by almost 40 to 50%. This is a function of decreased demand, increase in raw material costs, and of course restrictions by the government. This year, of course, there hasn't been much to celebrate for Vasant Raje's family of 20, yet they put on a brave face.
कोरोना की वजह से हमारी आमदनी जो है ये 50% माइनस हो गई है, क्योंकि हम साल भर काम करते हैं। जैसे गणेशोत्सव हो जाता है, नवरात्रोत्सव हो जाता है, महीने से मतलब दिवाली के बाद ही हमारा ये काम चालू होता है। तो उसके बाद जो हम लोग ने काम किया था फरवरी तक, उतना प्रोडक्शन हमारा हो चुका था। बट जब से ये लॉकडाउन चालू होगा, उसके बाद रॉ मटेरियल महंगे हो गए, रॉ मटेरियल मिलना ही मुश्किल हो गया है।
तो आगे जाके आपका फिर क्या ऑप्शंस हैं, क्योंकि आपका पूरा परिवार है इसमें, आपके क्या अभी ऑप्शंस हैं ये जो लॉस हुआ है उसको मीट करने के लिए?
नहीं, ऑप्शन तो हमारा साल में एक ही बार होता है, गणेशोत्सव। यही सबसे बड़ा ऑप्शन है हमारे लिए, क्योंकि हमारे जैसे जो मूर्तिकार है वो साल भर इसी सोर्स के हिसाब से काम करते हैं कि अगला गणेशोत्सव कब आएगा, उनके लिए हमें कैसी मूर्तियाँ बनानी पड़ेगी, ऑर्डर्स कैसे मिलेंगे। तो हमारे लिए इसके सिवाय और दूसरा कोई सोर्स नहीं है। हमारी पूरी फैमिली इसी काम में जुटी हुई रहती है साल भर। प्लस हमारे जो स्टूडेंट हैं जो साल भर हमारे लिए काम करते हैं, हमारे पास सीखने के लिए आते हैं, उनके भी हमें बहुत सपोर्ट मिली है ये काम की वजह से।
Vasant Raje's story is not unique. Many idol makers are seeing a muted year. कितना कमाई में घटाई हुई है?
मतलब 1.5 से 1.5 लाख तक
50% लॉस है, 50% लॉस है करीबन। तो अभी जो आपके गणपति बच गए हैं उसका आप क्या करेंगे? करीबन 80 की इन्वेंट्री बची है।
अभी उनको रखना पड़ेगा, फिर अगले साल उसको रीपेंट करके पूरा ये करना पड़ेगा।
Another reason that idol makers are struggling is that the demand for the larger than life orders has dried up, and that's because the government has given specific regulations. For instance, I'm at the Andheri Charaja Pandal, a popular pandal in Mumbai. Last year this was about 8.5 feet. At one point last year it was almost up to 15 feet. This year, to meet norms, it's 4 feet. They're also maintaining social distancing, so only 10 people are going to be allowed in the puja vicinity, but it's difficult to maintain that outside the vicinity. The line gets longer. Yes, there are masks, there are the provision of sanitizer, etc., but it's difficult to maintain. So this also means that this year, puja and the Ganpati puja and the Aarti comes to you online and on all social media platforms.
सर्व गणेश भक्तांना मी विनंती करतोय की त्यांनी आपलं फेस मास्क लावायचंय, सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग ठेवायचंय आणि सर्व गणेश भक्तांना आम्ही हे नम्र निवेदन करतोय की हे दर्शन आम्ही खालूनच देतोय. ज्या गणेश भक्तांना दर्शन घ्यायचंय त्यांना ऑनलाइन और फेसबुक पर दर्शन आहे.
मंदिर का राजा का मूर्ति हर साल आप देखे रहोगे तो बहुत बड़ी, मैंने 8.5 फुट की रहती है, लेकिन ये टाइम कोरोना की महामारी की वजह से हमारे मुख्यमंत्री, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने और म्यूनसिपालिटी ने कहा है कि ये मूर्ति का एजुकेशन दिया था कि 4 फीट ही करना, 4 फीट के ऊपर मूर्ति होना नहीं चाहिए.
भीड़ तो है यहाँ पे, आप कैसे इंश्योर करेंगे कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बने रहे, इन्फेक्शन का जो डर है वो भी आप लोग अपने एंड से जितना दूर रख सकते रखें?
ये टाइम बहुत ही ख्याल रख के अंदर राजा ने अभी प्रसाद भी हम लोग नहीं ले गए. यहाँ पे जो भी हार आएंगे, फूल आएंगे, वो एक हमारा इसमें ये बर्तन उसमें रखा दिया और सभी को हम लोग ने मास्क दिया है. और जो भी ऊपर कार्यकर्ता, खाली 4 ही रह गए कार्यकर्ता, उनके लिए ग्लोव्स दिए मंडल ने, मास्क बांटे सभी को.
Most housing societies have decided to scrap the plan of bringing in an idol altogether. Even in homes, including mine, the celebrations are largely a low-key affair, so no added flavor of guests and relatives coming in, and personally more painful, lesser food.
This year we are celebrating Ganesh festival in very low profile way, just 1.5 day against what we used to celebrate since last 10 years. This was the 10th year. I mean, we used to have a lot of celebrities performing, presidents performing, and we even on Visarjan day we used to have a big lot of dhol and kashas group playing. So for them actually, for many people, this year has been very sad.
We are in a situation where it is sad, but we have to adapt. Now people are getting married over video calls. People are doing each and everything over video calls. So I think because of the current situation, we can also have fun and do darshan over video call.
अभी घर के लोग पूजा करते, सब हमारे दोस्त लोग वगैरह सब आते थे यहाँ पे. वो इस बार नहीं आ पाएंगे कोरोना काल के कारण.
इस बार मेल मिलाप जो है नहीं होगा. हर साल संगीत संध्या का आयोजन होता है, गीत संगीत संध्या का, वो भी नहीं होगा. जो लोग दर्शन करना चाहते हैं वो वीडियो कॉल के थ्रू दर्शन करा दिए जाएंगे.
Instances of processions, loud music, but all in all, Mumbai police has been scattered across the city outside almost every shop that we saw, ensuring that norms were being followed. Celebrations may have been restrained, yes, but prayers have been fervent, and I'm pretty sure, at the risk of sounding corny, that most are to drive the virus away. In Mumbai, with camera person Milind Bagmare, Kritika Saxena.
Well, that's the perfect note then to call it a wrap on this edition of Reporter's Diary. Do stay tuned to CNBC TV 18. The news will continue.